In this guide, I'll show you how to permanently delete your YouTube channel on PC. So, the first thing you want to do is sign into your account, and then from the home page, select your profile picture in the top right corner, and from here, select YouTube Studio. Then on the left sidebar, you want to look down near the bottom and select Settings. From here, select Channel on the left sidebar, and then you want to go to Advanced Settings at the top, and then scroll down to the very bottom of this, and you want to select Remove YouTube Content. From here, you want to select I want to permanently delete my content, and you're going to have to read through these options. It essentially gives you a rundown as to what's going to be deleted, and the answer is essentially everything. But I recommend you have a read through and check mark these two boxes, and then select Delete My Content. Now, it's going to give you this one final warning, essentially stating you're going to permanently delete everything on your channel. So you're going to have to type in your channel name just to confirm, and then if you're okay with that, simply select Delete My Content in the bottom right corner. Then it'll bring you to this page where it'll say your content is in the process of being permanently deleted. This usually only takes a few minutes, but can take up to a couple days if you have a lot of content. If this guide was helpful, like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.